Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am back and it is the end of the month of February, so you guys know what I am back for. So I'll be reading a little bit about what this bag for the month of February, what it represents, the meaning and everything. Now I did also do like a hat and bag for Valentine's Day, and I'll show you guys that in another video. But today is just my regular bag of the month video. So let's get started. So the name of this bag is called Kioni. Kioni, it means she who sees, or the one who sees clearly. And this name is derived from the Kenyan origin of Africa. So it also carries a sense of intuition, wisdom, vision, inner strength. And so when you see this bag, you'll be able to, if you look at it, you get front and center with it. Hold it in your hand. If you was to purchase it, you'll see that you can actually see what the inside looks like from the outside. So the lining is actually reversed. Usually the bag's lining, if it's a design or whatever, you can see it once you open up the bag. Whereas this bag, the design is reversed. So you don't, when you open up the bag, you don't see the right side of the lining. You see the wrong side of the lining. But the way the bag is designed, once the bag is closed, or if you just had the bag, you can see the right side of the lining. And so you'll see once I get ready to show it. And so it has red hues in it, and that red gives off warmth, boldness, and passion. Excuse me. And then it has a little cream with it, which also shows the softness and purity of this bag. It's elegant, as the top part of the bag look a little bit like lace when you look at it. And it also gives off a sense of clarity and purpose, as well as showing the artistry of how I created this bag. So this bag is actually my first bag that I use a whole totally different stitch for this bag. I use a mesh stitch for this bag, and I used it making t-shirt using t-shirt yarn. So without further ado, I have discussed its meaning and everything like that, and gave you colors of what it looks like. But without further ado, this is February's bag. She has a tassel, and as you can see, she has her chain going across in the front. You can see that she are different colors of red, starting with the darkest, which is a burgundy at the bottom. Then it goes into a little lighter than that, and then also, if you can see it, then it goes into a lighter red, and then going into the cream. And as I was saying, at the top, the cream color, it actually looks like or resembles lace. If you get up close to it, you can see that you can see the right side of the lining. I faced it where you can see it on the actually through the mesh on the outside. But when you open her up, you actually see the wrong side, but it doesn't look bad the way that I designed the bag. It actually came out really, really nice. She has a tortoise look, tortoise handles. She also has a little bit of tortoise on her chain, and the fabric is like a leopard. It's a leopard fabric. So she is really cute. She don't have like a bottom, flat bottom, but she came out really, really beautiful. For this being my first time using a different stitch other than your regular single crochet or double crochet or another regular stitch that I normally use. So she came out really, really pretty. I really love this bag, and it just shows how I'm growing as a artist. I don't want to, you know, sometimes we toot our own horn, but anyway, this is it. This is February's bag. The bag of the month of February. So if you like this video, you like what you've seen in this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, let me know how I'm doing. Do you see my growth? I can kind of see it, you know, using a whole nother stitch. But anyway, if you like what you're seeing in this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you already haven't subscribed, I thank all my subscribers for supporting my channel. It gets, when you subscribe, it helps with the channel and helps to get my art out in the algorithm. And so I thank you for that. And that's it, guys. I see you in March for the bag of the month for March. Bye.